Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are making fufu the traditional way. So if you are interested, stay tuned and let's get right into it. Today we are making cassava and plantain fufu. And this particular traditional way that we are sharing with you, it's common with the Ashantis in Ghana. And you'll find most Ghanaian homes also preparing fufu this way, even though there are a lot of ways fufu is made. If you watch fufu and light soup, the traditional way recipe that we shared a few months ago, it will give you a fair idea how the people in the Volta region pound their fufu, the Volta region of Ghana. But then this particular way is common to the Akant, and then most Ghanaian homes also do this. So you peel your cassava nicely, you divide the cassava into small bits so it can cook faster. However, there's some thread-like thing in the middle of the cassava, so you have to also try and remove that thread-like thing, because if it's in your cassava and you pound it, it will leave your fufu with lumps, and we don't want that, so you remove it. Or if you leave it inside your cassava before you pound, you're supposed to remove them, which will give you extra work. So I like to do it before the cassava goes on fire. Once you are done peeling, wash your cassava nicely, and then you add some water to the cassava and then your peeled plantain. So some people like to add salt. The reason being, after pounding the fufu, if you added salt to the cassava and plantain while cooking, it prevents the fufu from going bad quickly. Okay, so that's why they add salt, but I don't like adding salt because personally I don't even like overnight fufu. That's a personal choice, so you can add salt if you want, but I didn't add salt. So after washing up cassava and plantain, this is what we have. We added some water, enough to cook our cassava and plantain, and on a medium to high heat we boiled our cassava until it was soft and ready for pounding. So once it's cooked, you know that the cassava is soft and the plantain is soft as well. You will need mortar and pestle in pounding, so we need to wash it. Once your cassava and plantain is ready, you have to drain the water from the cassava. So I like to use the hot water to rinse the mortar and pestle first before adding extra water to wash it, just so the hot water will kill any form of germs. Okay, now you would let the cassava and plantain sit for about 5 minutes because you don't want to pound it when it's too hot. Now you will need water to be dipping your hand in while pounding, and then we first pound our plantain. You pound until it's smooth and solid this way, and then you set the plantain aside. Then you go ahead and do same for the cassava. So once you set your plantain aside, you start with your cassava as well. You keep adding this way until the quantity in the mortar is good enough for you, okay? And then you start turning it. Now, when you are turning, you have to be dipping your hand in water, clean water of course, while turning. So your water has to be beside you while you're pounding. So someone can help you pound, or if you have a cute mortar and pestle like mine, you can do it yourself if you have the skill. Okay, so you keep turning like this until you achieve a uniform paste, and then you add your your plantain. Now once you add your plantain, you have to keep stirring like this and keep pounding till they marry together and get you a uniform paste. So here I'm doing it by myself with my water beside me, okay? And you have to keep pounding till there's no lumps, and then you have the texture that you want. My plantain was a lot, and when you put your fufu down, fufu that has a lot of plantain, it hardens quickly, so I like to make it extra soft so that when I leave it for a while it doesn't get too hard that I wouldn't be able to eat it. Okay, so this was the texture that I like. Okay, so you have to keep on it so you get the texture that you want, and then you can serve your fufu in a bowl or in an earthenware like I'm doing. I served my fufu with some delicious chicken light soup. The recipe will be up tomorrow. Yeah, the recipe will be uploaded tomorrow, so stay tuned for that recipe. Okay, what do you enjoy your fufu with? Have you ever tried Ghanaian plantain and cassava fufu? Let us know your experience with it, and also tell us how you like your fufu. Okay, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and your loved ones. We need more people to see our content. We put in a lot of work to get you this beautiful content, so please share our videos, and don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps us a lot, and don't forget to like and share. I hope you enjoyed this video and you try this recipe at home. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.